This video showcases complex matrices multiplication. Welcome to Numerical Solutions to C Problems. Given matrix C with a 4 by 3 size and also matrix D which is 3 by 4, we are to determine element 2, 3 of matrix CD. Also element 2, 3 of the conjugate of matrix C. Then lastly, element 2, 3 of the product of D dagger times the transpose of matrix C. Let's start with element 2, 3 of the matrix CD. Take a look at element 2, 3. The first index is the row, and the latter is the column. This element is to be taken from matrix CD. So as not to solve for all the elements in the matrix, analyze that you are only to take the second row of matrix C and the third column of matrix D. Now multiply elements. The first product takes 3 minus 4i with 5i. Then add to this the second pair of 2 plus 5i and 5. And again, add the last pair of elements 5 minus 3i times 2 plus 3i. For discussion, let's simplify each pair individually. By multiplying 5i to the binomial, we have 15i minus 20i squared. And we know that in complex numbers, I squared is equal to negative 1, making the product 15i minus negative 20, which is simplified as 20 plus 15i. From the second pair, distribute 5 to have 10 plus 25i. The last pair requires a FOIL method, where 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3i is 15i. Negative 3i times 2 is negative 6i, and negative 3i times positive 3i is negative 9i squared. Again, I squared is negative 1, making the product 10 plus 9i minus negative 9, which can be reduced to 19 plus 9i. With all the three terms simplified, we take element 2, 3 of matrix CD as 20 plus 15i plus 10 plus 25i, then add 19 plus 9i. Take all the real numbers and also the imaginary numbers to come up with 49 plus 49i. The second requirement is to take element 2, 3 of the conjugate of matrix C. By conjugate, we need to take the matrices conjugate first, and that is by simply reversing the signs of all imaginary numbers in the elements. Again, the sign reversal is only for the imaginary numbers, and the real numbers should remain as they are. After taking the conjugate, take the transpose, making the 4 by 3 C bar into a 3 row by 4 column C dagger. And this is the conjugate of matrix C. The last thing to do is to identify element 2, 3, which is from the second row and the third column. So the answer for this requirement is 4 plus 2i. The third requirement includes the product of the conjugate of matrix D with the transpose of matrix C. Starting with matrix D, we can take the conjugate by working on its conjugate first. D bar is just flipping the signs of the imaginary numbers, and only those with I. Next is to take the transpose of D bar, making the matrix size into 4 by 3. The second matrix C only needed to be taken its transpose, so interchange its columns with its rows, making a 3 by 4 size. The size changes make these two matrices conformable, so we can actually multiply them. What we needed is specifically element 2, 3, and similar with the discussion of requirement 1, we only need to focus on the second row of the first matrix and multiply this with the third column of the second matrix. So element 2, 3 of D dagger times C transpose then becomes 3 products of first 2 plus 6i with 2 plus 3i. Second, 3 plus 4i times 4 minus 2y. And third, negative 3 plus 2y times negative 1 minus I. Simplify the first pair using FOIL method. 2 by 2 is 4. Then, 2 with 3i is 6i, followed by 6i times 2 as 12i, with 6i times 3i as 18i squared. I squared from the last term is equal to negative 1, making the first product as 4 plus 18i plus negative 18, simplified as negative 14 plus 18i. The next pair also needs FOIL method. 3 by 4 is 12 plus 3 times negative 2y is negative 6i, 4i times 4 is 16i, and 4i times negative 2i is negative 8i squared, which again contains a converted negative 1. So the pair becomes 12 plus 10i minus negative 8, simplified as 20 plus 10i. The last pair also generates 3 from negative 3 times negative 1. There is also negative 3 times negative I, making positive 3i, with 2i times negative 1, which is negative 2i. Then, 2i times negative I is negative 2i squared. Again, I squared is negative 1. So the product becomes 3 plus I minus negative 2, or simply 5 plus I. So element 2, 3 of D dagger times C transpose is negative 14 plus 18i, with 20 plus 10i plus 5 plus I, which is then simplified as 11 plus 29i.